Welcome. Today we're covering build an AI sales machine. Close deals without a sales team. A single founder in Yangon closed 47 deals last month. No sales team. No cold calling. Just an AI system running 24/7. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI sales machine from scratch that handles outreach, responds to leads, follows up automatically, and pushes prospects toward closing. Whether you're a solopreneur, a startup founder, or running a small business across Southeast Asia, this is the playbook that replaces a 5-person sales department. Here's the reality most business owners won't face. Hiring salespeople is expensive, slow, and unpredictable. Training takes months. Turnover kills momentum. But AI tools available right now can handle 80% of what a junior sales representative does. Faster, cheaper, and without ever calling in sick. In this video, we break down the exact AI stack you need. Most tools are free or under $50 per month. How to build automated outreach sequences that feel personal. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.